Hey guys, good morning. Today we're going to talk about Great British Pound USD. We're going to go over real life examples of taking trades. Just remember that this is for educational purposes only. You need to build up your knowledge within smart money concepts, and the risk is your own whenever you take trades. You can see towards the end of 2022 we had a liquidity buildup well below demand OB. Then we caught the liquidity and we had a reversal. Now we can go with this is going to be the low. And we've had a reversal back up to the upside, and we're going to go back up here and we're going to retest this 140 area. That's what the charts are showing. But you also have to remember this is on the daily, and we can look at the daily and we can kind of forecast where it's going to go in the long term. We can say it's probably going to be hit somewhere in this area and retest this liquidity line. So the safe bet is take buys, wait for pullbacks, and take buys. So even whenever this reversal happened right through here, I knew we were going to be moving up. And you could have captured this huge move, like 115 range, all the way up to 121. Massive amount of pips. So let's zoom in. Let's look over the last few weeks and see where we could have taken trades with ArtiumPro. So I can see one right here. So we had a liquidity buildup below this particular mark here. And you can see this build up after reversal. This would have been a perfect spot. Take along all the way up here to this previous line here. Even if you were going to put your low, put your stop loss below the previous low, it's still a 4.15. Now we could have shrunk this up, and we could have felt like that was going to maintain. Right there's a 10.8. Would have been a great trade. So let's talk about where we currently are right now and some of the trades that you could take right now. Let's just erase this. Right here would have been another order block right here. You could have taken a trade from here. But because we know that Great British Pound is moving up long term, we're only going to be doing buys. We're going to go with the safe direction. And right here you can see this order block was tapped into. We're moving up. So you could have taking this trade from the 50% mark, and we could I think you could even do like a 5-to-1 here, and you could still be in this trade right now. Now normally you're in this trade right here. Once you start pushing up, we broke this high. It would have been a previous swing high right here. Now once we break this previous swing high, you can secure the trade and move your stop loss back to break even. You could also capture some profits along the way. So right now we're probably 75% into profit. You could secure some, take some off the table, and let the rest run full take profit. Now, this is going to be on the 1 hour time frame, so it's going to be a little bit longer trades. It's according on what kind of trading you're doing. On if you got jobs, if you want to trade smaller time frames, you can do this on any time frame. All the rules are going to be the same. So if you want to trade off the 5-minute time frame, you can go down here to the 5-minute and do the exact same thing you did on the 1 hour. Now if we zoom in on the 5-minute time frame, you can see we're kind of in the middle. You'd really want to take your trade from here and target this. So I was going to be looking for a trade this is pretty much what I'd be looking for. You can also set your alert. Right click right here. You can add alert. That way you don't have to watch the chart all the time. You can just wait for your alerts to pop up. Also, if you pop this alert up, you can hit crossing down. You can set your expiration. You can go over here to alerts. You can actually add it to the Great British Pound pair. So just get over here and hit your plus symbol. You can add alert right here. You can see it pops up this line. This is your alerts log. All this stuff you probably already know, but for the people who don't, I'm just going over it real quick. You can see whenever we hover over this line, you get a hand. Double click on this, it'll pull it up and show you what the alert's about. You can right click on the alert, you can remove it, and it's saying do you want to delete it. Now if you're always trading a particular time frame and you want to add alert for the ArtiumPro SMC indicator to alert you once an order block gets hit, you can do that as well. So right here's your main bull OBs, bear OBs, internal OBs. According on how much you want to trade, I would stick with the main bull and bear OBs. I think we covered pretty much everything. I just want to go over that and also let everybody know that Sam and I appreciate everybody's support and complements on the indicator itself. If you have any questions, you can find us in Discord. I hope each and every one of you have a great trading week, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.